doing here?
We're designing a poster about electricity. And it starts at the power station and it goes into a transformer and it makes the electricity stronger. And the wires from the transformer goes to pylons and then the wires travel to another substation.
From the substation, the wires go into a pole, and from the pole, the wires travel into a smaller substation.
That's really good. So you've shown the whole journey that the power takes.
Yeah.
So electricity all the way from the power station to your home.
Yeah.
So you're going to stick all these down in that order? And what are you going to do to show the journey?
We're going to put arrows.
Right. That's really good. Remember, you can't see electricity. It can kill you if you mess with it, if you ignore the warning signs, if you get too close. So let's just use a bit of this common sense.
Do you know them? Colin's brother. Come on.
How are we going to do this place? Okay by me. Here we go again. Hang a minute. Hurry up. What's doing? Come on, get your leg up. Come on. You idiot.
Do it through this hole. No. Want it to look good, don't you? Oh, this is much better. Connor, you idiots! Harry, what are you doing? Getting the camera. Leave it. Let's tell your dad. He'll be mad if it's broken. Harry! Don't touch anything, Harry. Okay, okay. Don't get near anything. Please come out. It's dangerous in there. Harry, it's Connor and his brother. Quickly, get out. Okay, I'm coming. Hurry up. All right. Just got to find something to help me get out of here.